Namaste, welcome to India's Business Legends. As you can see, we are outside a wedding venue, and the reason is we are here to meet Mr. Simrandeep Singh, who's the co-founder of Gurmeet Groups, which is a company which handles a lot of wedding events at their 5 different venues. And इसके पीछे जो एक स्टोरी है वो उससे भी इंटरेस्टिंग है कि it was started by his father, Mr. Gurmeet Singh, who had this business of tents and catering. तो जैसे हमारे आसपास भी होता है कि एक छोटे इवेंट के लिए कोई एक टेंट वाले भैया होते हैं या एक केटरर होते हैं, वो आते हैं। आज की जो स्टोरी है हमारी, वो स्टोरी है कैसे एक छोटे बिजनेस को इतना एक ग्रैंड एम्पायर बनाकर क्रिएट किया जा सकता है, जहाँ पर आप लग्जरी वेडिंग्स ईस्ट दिल्ली में प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। सो लेट्स गो मीट मिस्टर सिमरनदीप सिंह, जो कि मिस्टर गुरमीत सिंह के बेटे हैं और वो अब इस बिज़नेस को और आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं। लेट्स गो। हाय मिस्टर सिमरनदीप।
Hello Sophia.
Hi.
Hi.
It's a pleasure to meet you here and welcome to India's Business Legends.
Thank you.
And your property is absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
It's one of those beautiful wedding venues here in East Delhi. So show me what
So,
exactly
Sophia,
is
this
the
is our
specialty
most
of this
luxurious
place.
property in East Delhi by the name of Grand Amara. We have 2 halls here. One is Sapphire Hall and the other one is Emerald Hall. So here you can have a look that we have 30-foot ceiling height in this banquet hall.
Right.
So that's not common in East Delhi basically. So our main motive is to make luxurious properties and make them affordable to each of our clients. So we are in this industry since 30 years. So since 30 years, our main objective is to provide luxury at every levels.
So when we talk about different wedding occasions,
Yes.
how do you cater to needs of different people? Because we will be having weddings where people would want a budget wedding with an intimate gathering, with not many people, and some people would want to go grand and host a luxurious and a huge wedding. So how do you cater to these 2 categories?
So basically, ma'am, right now we have 5 venues in East Delhi. Our first hall, like Golden Rose Banquet, it starts from 1,000 rupees per head. So if anyone's budget is low, so we'll shift their function to Golden Rose Banquets. Apart from that, in Grand Amara itself, like you have seen this property and tasted so many things here.
Right.
So you must have realized that this property must be beyond like 3,000, 3,500, 4,000 plus amount. So here we are now focusing more on to provide limited menus as well, so that normal clients also experience luxury at like 2,000, 2,200 rupees per head GST prices. So we are trying our level best to provide luxurious, good feel, ambience, good food at low prices. So in every hall, we have every menu designed as per client's demand and their budget.
Right. So it's the wedding season, right? And you must be crazy busy with work.
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
How many weddings are you doing in a week, or let's say a month?
See, ma'am, this November is very good in our industry. So right now we have 87 functions combined in 5 banquet halls. So yeah, it's been a very good season so far, and we are enjoying to provide good services to our clients.
How do you personally see weddings? How do you associate with weddings?
See, ma'am, weddings is fully associated with feelings. Like it's all about the feelings which groom family, bride family is going through it. So we just want to give them the wholesome experience, that like lifetime experience. We want to provide them with our best of the best facilities and best of the best experience, and we try our level best to give best services to them.
So tell us, what kind of preparations do you make to make sure that a function is smooth, there's no problem happening?
See, ma'am, there's a lot of things involved in banquet industry, like from services to food quality to ambience to event management to event services. There are a lot of things which we need to take care of. So for that, we have different staff we have reallocated. Our main job is to provide appropriate staff at appropriate level. Like in food, whenever we appoint someone like any chef or any Indian chef, Chinese chef, we must consider that we have to at least taste their food at least 4 to 5 times. After that, we appoint them in the kitchen. So this goes with every department in the banquet. Like in captains, in services, we thoroughly go through a process, like a proper hotel management process. So basically, our main motive is to give best of the best services in every sphere of banqueting, every sphere of weddings. I want you to have a look here and taste some food. So today we have these.
This is your starter menu. Thank you.
This is cigar roll.
Okay.
Yes. First try cigar roll, please.
I'll just have one. Tell me which one's the best.
My favorite is this mushroom cheesy tikka.
Okay.
And one in your hand, cheesy roll. This is also nice. Yes.
Thank you.
So these are our chaat stalls. Basically, live counter starts from here only. Here we have pav bhaji, aloo tikki, bhalla papdi, golgappas,
Right.
South Indian stalls, chila
Basically
stalls,
essentials
everything.
which are
Yes,
very
everything.
required
Yeah.
in an Indian
Yes,
wedding.
yes. Basically, Indian food is more focused upon Indian weddings.
Right.
We also do have multiple cuisines. Those counters are shifted in the second hall today because clients' only demand is for the Indian culinary today.
Right.
That's why we only displayed Indian food today. Apart from that, we have Italian, Mexican, Korean food, and number of options are available here.
So what's the latest trend when it comes to, let's say, food in the wedding industry?
Food is ever evolving, ma'am. We are noticing since 2 to 3 years after COVID, like people prefers international cuisines
Right.
these days. Like they want sushi, good dim sums, and good Italian food. Like these are the things which are really introducing in Delhi NCR basically. And we are trying to bring that kind of experience in food in East Delhi. So international cuisine is the next, you can say, USP of the banquets which are upcoming in the future seasons.
The mocktail segment has also improved drastically in the last few years.
See, mocktail counter is all depends on the presentation on all the services. Like
Right.
when you have a look at our mocktails, you will feel these are like appropriately presentable. Like there is fruit cutting in there is pudina and all the ice, and so presentation is the key for us in every food. Like not in the mocktail itself. Like if you see our chart counters, live counters, buffet stations. So let's have a look to hall number 2, which is Emerald Hall.
So this makes me wonder, when you've got multiple halls and venues in one location, how do you manage people with different tastes? Probably, somebody in one hall might have some different needs.
Yes, ma'am. So for today's example, we have 5 functions going on today.
Okay.
So for each venue, we have a good manager appointment. So managers क्या करते हैं? They have good captains under their control. फिर captains के under stewards, waiters होते हैं.
Right.
So this is more of a teamwork job. तो टीम ही इतनी सॉलिड है मैम कि सबको अपना अपना काम पता है कि उसने क्या करना है, किसकी क्या ड्यूटीज़ है. कैप्टन्स जो बुफे में है उनकी से बुफेज में ड्यूटी है. सो मल्टीपल जो जॉब्स हैं वो सारी असाइड इस अकॉर्डिंगली हुई हैं कि दे नो देयर जॉब कि कैसे हर चीज़ मैनेज करनी है. सो वी हैव अ बेसिक फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ चार्ट जो हमने बना रखे हैं, और सारी ड्यूटीज़ वी हैव एलोकेटेड 1 week बिफोर ही हम सारी ड्यूटीज़ एलोकेट कर देते हैं टू अ फिक्स्ड स्टाफ.
So what do you think are the challenges of this industry?
Ma'am, there are a lot of challenges. First of all, there are a lot of license work which we had to go through a process. So there are multiple license process हो गए, and apart from that, अब जैसे 5 venues में event चल रहा है हमारा. So each venue has different event. Like here in the hall number 1, today Sagan is going on.
Right.
In each crown birthday is going on. In Golden Rose we have 2 multiple functions. One is roka ceremony, another is another small engagement. So this is the major setback you can say कि हर client की different need होती है, तो उस accordingly we have to play with their functions.
Right.
अगर same functions are going on in each and every hall, then it will be easier for us to make guests happy and to provide every service at one place. So different halls में different किसी का एक time हल्दी चल रहा है, in the other hall or ring ceremony is going on. So this is a task to allocate that kind of staff at that particular point कि वो चीज़ें easily और अच्छे से take care हो सके.
So take us to a time when you faced your most difficult clients. कि भाई खुशी नहीं हो रही, हम कुछ भी कर
There are a lot of clients, ma'am. There are a lot of clients. So last year in this hall only, so हमारे partitions दोनों open हो रखे थे. So that's a 1500 gathering event going on. तो guest को थोड़ा सा Indian food का taste थोड़ा सा उनको accordingly चाहिए था. So they were Marwadis from Rajasthan. So they want authentic Marwadi Rajasthani food taste. So what we have done is कि हमने बहुत सारे मारवाड़ी शेफ्स को हायर करा ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस. तो उन्होंने 2-3 ने बहुत अच्छा फूड प्रेजेंट किया, बट वो भी उनको अकॉर्डिंगली टेस्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर टेस्ट बड्स उनको वो सेट नहीं हुआ. तो फिर पर्सनली मेरे एक फ्रेंड है तो उनके थ्रू मैंने पर्सनली जो मारवाड़ी के मेन जो एक शेफ़ होते हैं, तो उनको जो ट्रेडिशनल शेफ़ हैं, दे वांट अ ट्रेडिशनल फूड सेटअप, नॉट अ होटल मैनेजमेंट और शेफ़ बेस्ड फूड. सो फिर हमने उनको बहुत ही मुश्किल से हायर किया, उनकी टीम को. दे वर नॉट फ्री बिकॉज दे हैव देयर आउटलेट्स गोइंग ऑन इन राजस्थान. सो बहुत रिक्वेस्ट करके उनसे टाइम लेके हमने उनको यहाँ बुलाया एंड फिर जो भी उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट थी उसको हमने फुलफिल किया इन द राजस्थानी सेक्शन, यू कैन से. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हर चीज़ हमारे पास जो अवेलेबल है, दे आर थॉरली प्रोफेशनल्स. लाइक किसी भी cuisine में जो फूड बनाते हैं, तो एज सच बिग कंप्लेंट्स कुछ नहीं होती, बट दिस इज द टास्क विच यू आर आस्किंग. या
क्योंकि छोटी छोटी कुछ कंप्लेंट सबकी हो जाती है.
आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स द एग्जैक्ट राजस्थानी culinary experiences. एक जो टेस्ट बर्ड्स हैं वो एक सेम कम्युनिटी पर्सन कैन टेल मी. सो उसको हमने ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें छोटी छोटी, लाइक देयर इज वन गाय, अभी हमने लास्ट ईयर एक इवेंट किया था. सो ही ओनली वांट्स BTW की चाट, बिट्टू टिक्की वाला इज़ अ वेरी फेमस ब्रांड इन दिल्ली. सो अब उनकी बहुत सारी फंक्शंस एक डेट पे ऑलरेडी दे हैव लॉग्ड इन. सो इट विल बी वेरी टफ फॉर अस कि उनको हमने फिर रिक्वेस्ट करके ऑन आवर साइट कि आप प्लीज़ आके आप चार्ट स्टॉल्स करो. तो बहुत सारे ऐसे छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स होते हैं इवेंट इंडस्ट्री में दैट वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ.
सो हाउ डू यू मेक ऑल दैट हैपन? क्योंकि बहुत आसान तो नहीं होता है जब चीज़ें.
फॉर अ इवेंट मैम वी हैव टू प्लान एटलीस्ट 15 days बिफोर. प्लानिंग हमारी 15 days पहले सारी रीएलोकेट हो जाती है. लाइक एक्सेल शीट पे हर चीज़ हमारी मेंशन्ड होती है, लाइक व्हाट आर द ड्यूटीज अ सर्टेन पर्सन हैज़ टू फॉलो फॉर ईच काउंटर, फॉर ईच फूड culinary एक्सपीरियंस. लाइक इफ समवन वांट्स ए कैटेगरी वेटर्स तो हम वो भी अवेल कर देते हैं. तो बहुत मल्टीपल चीज़ें एज पर क्लाइंट्स डिमांड वी हैव टू फुलफिल इट. बिफोर 15 days वी मेक अ प्रॉपर लेआउट प्लान एक इवेंट से, ताकि आगे जाके कोई भी इश्यूज़ ना हो, किसी की डेट्स क्लब्स ना हो. सो वी टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल दोज थिंग्स. और यही आर्ट है मैम.
एब्सोल्युटली. तो ये आर्ट आपने अपने फादर से ली?
यस मैम, फादर से ही सब कुछ हम सीखे हैं. लाइक ही स्टार्टेड हिज ओन बिजनेस इन 1992. So at that time he used to supply furnitures to tent house owners.
Right,
That's how he started.
वेरी हम्बल बैकग्राउंड.
Yes, ma'am.
कि आप लोगों ने बहुत छोटे से स्टार्ट किया एंड यू ग्रू सो बिग.
Yes ma'am, definitely. And from that period only, तब से जब से उन्होंने start किया था, he has one belief to take apart 10% of earnings towards society, towards seva. So that's the most humble thing which I have learned from him, and that's what makes me humble. So आज की डेट में भी there are lot of things that he is doing. आधी चीज़ें तो I think यहाँ के लोगों को भी नहीं पता कि वो क्या क्या हो जाती हैं that we are doing. Not we are doing with, yes, by God grace.
Other people should not know कि हम क्या डोनेट कर रहे हैं. Probably he also comes from that thought.
Definitely. बस जो थोड़ा बहुत he showcase it, तो वो इसलिए करते हैं दैट कि और भी जो लोग हैं इन द सोसाइटी, दे शुड लर्न एंड दे शुड डू आल्सो दीज काइंड ऑफ सर्विसेज.
Right.
या
So we were talking about how your father started the company.
या
तो आप उस टाइम पे काफी यंग रहे हो.
यस मैम. मेरा तो मैम बर्थ 96 में हुआ था. सो ही स्टार्टेड दिस बिजनेस ट्रूली इनटू टेंट हाउस बिजनेस इन 1995. In 1995 he opened his tent house business in Krishna Nagar, East Delhi. तो वहाँ से छोटा सा टेंट हाउस स्टार्ट करते करते he was doing roadside tents and all those things.
वही ट्रेंड था उस टाइम.
Yes, basically. फिर in 2000 early 2000s में he started his big tent house. Like तो उस टाइम फिर पंडाल्स का बहुत क्रेज आने लग गया ईस्ट दिल्ली में. सो तब भी उनके एक मूड में होता था कि he should bring some innovation in East Delhi. Like कुछ हटके करना है. तभी एक ब्रांड वैल्यू की एक इमेज जो है वो सोसाइटी के सामने भी आएगी. प्लस ही हैज़ टू डू सम, लाइक जो चीज़ हो ही ना रखी हो जो पूरी मार्केट में. सो हिज आइडिया वाज टू ब्रिंग लग्जूरियस, उस टाइम के अकॉर्डिंगली जो पंडाल्स थे, ही वाज द वन हु इंट्रोड्यूस पंडाल्स इन ईस्ट दिल्ली. सो उस टाइम पे आई स्टिल रिमेंबर, जैसे इंडिया गेट थीम हो गई, लाइक वी हैव ताजमहल का एक रेप्लिका बना दिया उन्होंने स्टेज का, गेट का, और बहुत सारी ऐसे मल्टीपल चीज़ें उन्होंने मतलब कहीं से देख के, कुछ एक्सपीरियंस करके, कुछ आर्टिस्ट के थ्रू. आर्किटेक्ट तो खुद ही होते थे क्योंकि उस टाइम तो कोई आर्किटेक्ट्स होते नहीं थे. सो विद हिज ओन थिंकिंग एंड अंडरस्टैंडेबिलिटी he has started pandals in 2000. So 2000 से till 2010 it was bang on. Like we used to have 8 to 10 weddings at that time. Because उस टाइम कंपटीशन भी बहुत लो होता था. So उस टाइम तो उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा सक्सेस उन्होंने किया. एंड आफ्टर 2010 वी स्टेप्ड इनटू बैंक्वेट्स बिजनेस. In 2012 we opened our first banquet hall in Aditya Mall by the name of Gurmeet's Banquet. It was the earlier name of that banquet. Now it's Golden Rose Banquet. So फिर वहाँ से we thought कि अब banquets में ही आना है, because next generation जो है, अब next जो भी evolve जो भी होना है वो banquets के through ही होना है. So right now we are focusing to make more banquets in East Delhi and Delhi also. And one more thing, we are focusing on a 4-star good property in East Delhi to make luxury more affordable to East Delhians.
When was the first time you probably did the first wedding? Was it with your father या कोई independent project था?
As myself, after graduation, ma'am, I've attempted civil services for a year. So वो click नहीं हुआ, तो after that I directly came back into business. तो उसके बाद बैंक्वेट के साथ साथ आई हैव ओपनड वन इवेंट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी बाय द नेम ऑफ गोल्डन रोज वेडिंग्स एंड इवेंट्स. सो इन दैट कंपनी व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू डू इज कि वी यूज्ड टू हैव आउटडोर इवेंट्स एज मच एज वी कैन. सो आई हैव एक्सप्लोर्ड मैनी थिंग्स, मैनी 5-star होटल्स, मैनी गुरुद्वारा इवेंट्स. तो हमने बहुत अच्छे इवेंट्स करे. सो दैट वाज माय लर्निंग फेज इन 2016. सो आई वाज trying to learn that how this industry works, how outdoor events works. I've done a lot of events in gurudwaras and Chhatarpur, 5-star hotels. I've done a lot of things. Like that was the golden period, you can say, for me before coming into banquets. So that was the turning point, you can say, that has given me thinking and to make something big in the future. That was the step towards the success of our journey, you can say. Right. So yeah.
So आपने जो एक जर्नी स्टार्ट की, उस जर्नी के बाद आप अब इस टाइम पर आपके पास मल्टीपल वेन्यूज है. What all are your different venues?
So right now we have 5 venues in East Delhi. So this is Grand Amara Banquet. This property has 2 halls. One is Sapphire Hall and the other is Emerald Hall. We can also club both the halls and can cater up to 1500 gathering at a point. After Grand Amara, we have Golden Rose Banquet. Those banquet also has 2 halls. Usme the starting gathering which we take is from 50 till 700 we can do in both the halls. The third property which we recently introduced is by the name of East Crown. So uski demand में बहुत ज़्यादा है आज की डेट में. So clients were looking for open plus covered experience. So for that reason we introduced that property by the name of East Crown. So I think we should have a visit to East Crown.
Yes, we should definitely go and visit it. जब आप बता रहे हैं कि उसमें काफ़ी unique features हैं, let's go visit that also. So yeah, where are we now?
So right now we are at Golden Rose Banquet Halls, where the banquet journey from Group Gurmeet begins. Okay. So this is our very first property that we have created in 2013. So in 2013, my father planned a banquet hall to come into banquet industry. So he bought total 5 shops. So these are all the shops in 2014. This is a barber shop. This one is a toy shop. Other one is a advocate's cabin. So multiple offices are there. So in 2014, we've bought 5 shops and created a banquet hall for small gatherings. So this hall basically caters up to 200 to 250 packs gathering easily. Yeah.
So while you were setting up, एक unorganized tent sector से you were going into something which was more concrete.
Yes, yes, yes.
उस टाइम पर आप लोगों के decisions कैसे हुए थे? How much were you involved in it?
Banquet line is evolving. So tent setups slowly degrade हो रहे थे due to weather issues and open areas. So we planned कि we should have some hall space in the coming future, because आगे future is of banquet halls only.
Correct.
So that's how we created this property. Earlier बहुत ही अच्छा response था यहाँ पे. Response right now is also, we have like 365 days we are thoroughly packed. Like we do kitties, birthdays, ring ceremonies, rokas, family dinners. Any kind of occasion, any kind of particular event, we will do easily here. So till here, जो ये pillar आ रहा है, we have this banquet hall for 3 years in 2017. After that, we slowly taking other shops also. So this is also another shop. So दोनों banquets मिला के there is approximately 12 shops in this floor.
So basically instead of investing in one go, आपने थोड़ा-थोड़ा टुकड़ों में invest किया है.
My dad's thinking from earlier days, like from before only. He always thinks like कि हमने कोई भी चीज़ बनानी है, so that should be like an asset to us.
Right.
So we don't focus on rented properties much. We try कि जो property हम खुद से from our own funds we can manage. So that's our most priority. कि उसको हम अच्छे से बना के expenses cut down करके we should focus more on quality and more quantity of functions ताकि सबको पूरी East Delhi में सबको we can easily cater everyone.
And ये जो सोच है कि हाँ हम लोगों को ज़्यादा लोगों को cater करना है. So how do you cater to different budgets?
See ma'am, we have different menu allocations for different gatherings. Like for example, if a 50 people function is going on, so उनको live counters की need नहीं है. They only want a limited menu like 6-7 snacks and 5-6 main course, 3-4 desserts. That's the main requirement of their menus. तो definitely उस menu में हमारी costing भी जो है तो उस accordingly आती है. So that's why for 50 packs we can easily do 75-80,000 starting से हम यहाँ functions कर देते हैं. So anyone can do function here. Apart from that, we also have partition here also. This is a wall partition, same as Grand Amara designing. तो उसमें क्या है, if someone wants a big function, कि बड़ा function करना है, we just open partition doors और पूरा 300, 400, 500 gathering, we can easily do that also. If someone has a low budget, like someone has 1500, 1300, or some guests have 1200 per head budget, we can easily do here also.
And your last property?
East Crown.
Yes. Tell us more about that.
East Crown is basically a resort style property. That's a very unique concept. Basically, आपने Grand Amara देख लिया. That is a high ceiling height banquet. That's fully covered. This also fully covered hall, a low ceiling banquet hall. But East Crown is a mixture of open plus covered. So their guests and clients can do any kind of function. Like if someone wants to have a small baby shower or a sundowner or a healthy event in the day or night or sundowner, so they can do their function in the open space. So if someone, yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Please,
there.
please, sure.
We'll talk over there.
Sure, definitely.
So we are now here at
East Crown.
East Crown.
This is a newly opened banquet hall. We have recently opened this venue in November only. So today we have a birthday function going on, and it's approximately 300 to 350 guest party going on. So let's have a look. So you can see this is a covered banquet hall. Apart from that, we have open space as well. So this is a very beautiful and a unique property. It's moreover like a resort style property that we have created. So this is in lot of demand as we are processing banquet halls in. So right now we have covered and open both facilities available here. If someone wants to have a separate function like in the open space and banquet hall, we also do have a partitions here. If someone wants 2 functions at a time, we do that also. Here you can have a look that the designing and the architecture of this banquet hall is totally unique. So here we can have weddings as well, and if someone wants to have a good cocktail event, so for that event also this property is very nice.
We've actually seen that you guys are managing actually quite a handful of properties.
Yes, ma'am.
So I was wondering, how do you guys manage so many things in one go? Because आम आदमी तो एक शादी करके ही पागल हो जाता है.
Definitely, ma'am. So we have whole family involved in this business. So basically we are a nuclear setup family. So I have a younger sister, so she takes care of Golden Rose banquets that we have already discussed. And the other venues, Grand Amara in East Crown, was taken care by me and father both. So yeah, you can say families taking care of each and everything.
When you handle it family-wise, are there any tough decisions that need to be taken that, you know?
It's not about tough decisions. There's a lot of like clashes, not clash basically. There's a lot of differences like कि इस panel पे ये होना चाहिए, like interior designing you can say. If I want this, then father says this, then I go with his choice always because he is always right. I just want कि हल्का सा चलो ठीक है, it's trend जो हो रहा है, I focus more on trend कि what's going on trend. सो या जो हमारी एक बॉन्डिंग है, जो एक कल्चर है स्टार्टिंग से फैमिली कल्चर इनटू बिजनेस, लाइक वी नो ईच एंड एवरी टास्क कि उन्होंने क्या करना है, हमने क्या करना है. सो एवरी वर्क इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. इवन माई मदर is looking for accounts. तो जितने भी banquets है, she takes care of accounts. So yeah, whole family is involved. Yeah.
So आपको क्या लगता है अब future of wedding industry क्या है?
See, my future, this is a ever growing industry. इसमें new innovations, new venues are always in demand. You know very well कि banquets एक बार 2 years, 3 years, 4 years हो जाते हैं. So they need innovations. Otherwise they go like old venues हो जाते हैं, तो every kind don't want to repeat. So for repetitions and for different venues, for new trends, we are trying our level best कि हम अब जितने भी future properties that we are creating from now onwards, that should have a different vibe. Like this property has a different vibe. You can see open space is also there, covered is also there. So it's a good property. Like we also feels कि हाँ ऐसी properties और in future on a big scale should be there. Apart from that, I've already discussed कि 4-star property we are looking in East Delhi. So in that property we are looking कि उसमें minimum 100 rooms हो. That should have a very beautiful poolside parties होनी चाहिए वहाँ पे. That should have a very good lawn for weddings, like fresh decorations जैसे earlier we used to do it. So fresh flowers decoration, fresh fabrications and all. उसके लिए एक lawn different हो, covered banquets होने चाहिए. So we want कि एक 4-star property में if someone is coming, then we should be giving them a destination wedding type concept in East Delhi itself, so that कि उनका एक budget एक friendly, they'll got the budget friendly options also. Apart from that, जो traveling में issues हो गए, आपका luggage, baggage, clients, traveling, accommodations, a lot of issues are there in destination weddings. So in East Delhi we are trying कि ये सारी चीज़ें we can fulfill that. Apart from that, 2026 we are projecting to create 5 more venues. Not only in East Delhi, in whole Delhi. Our next target is West Delhi, North Delhi, wherever our property needs suits us. Like we are focusing more towards parking facilities properties. So parking is the major foremost front whichever property we are creating. अभी तक भी जो भी parking facilities जहाँ easy to park facilities होती हैं, good venues, अच्छे बड़े venues available हैं. So we are looking for that options only in the future.
And financially, what kind of numbers are you doing?
By God's grace, we are doing very well.
Great.
So
good to hear that.
Yeah, so I think we are looking towards future to get more venues. We are not focusing much on finances, to be very honest. Our most priority is to send our guests with positive feedback, with good hospitality and good name and fame. So numbers are not for us, you can say that.
So as we were talking about Grand Amara, we saw that it's a huge property.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the story behind its acquisition? Because starting small and then going big is not an easy task, and it cannot be done overnight.
Yes, ma'am.
So take us through that journey of yours.
So basically, ma'am, in 2022, I still remember it was September month. So DDA auction came in. So that was a turning point for us to convert our pandals into a fixed kind of a setup.
Right.
So that way we participated in DDA auction, and by God's grace, in first attempt we got that property. Apart from that, we are also looking for other properties as well. But our main focus was to fulfill needs of the East Delhi people. So in November we got the possession of the land, and after getting that land, we planned that we'll make something different, something unique in East Delhi which never existed before here. So that was a life-changing thing for us, Grand Amara. After that, in this property, we used to have tent style concept like farmhouse. We have established here since 12 years. So after Grand Amara success, we thought, why should not we turn this also into something like that property? With that mindset, we thought, chalo, let's give a chance to East Town as well. तो हमने ये सोचा था at first that कि East Grand Amara जैसे will cover the whole property. But my father was really engaging me कि नहीं यहाँ कुछ different करेंगे. Like we will not do fully banquet hall because of the same चीज़ हो जाएगी. So that's why we turned this into a resort style property, you can say. So that was the turning point of us.
Interesting. All right. Thank you so much for your time that you gave to us. Thank you so much for your hospitality also. And we wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
So that was Simrandeep with us, and he showed us that the journey of starting small to going big is not a difficult one if you have your heart set to it. So if you're also aspiring to start something, today is the time to take that first step. Bye-bye for now.